Well, back in February 6th this year, 2020, I put a bag of vinegar and baking soda on this shower head. I couldn't fix the clog issue. Right now the water is still dripping. I have a chair set up right here. And then I'm gonna climb up there to see what's going on. Anyway, so I left that bag overnight with soda and vinegar, and then it was still clogged. The water just wouldn't. The water was just dripping. We can move this chair out of the way. Let's see how this thing is. Yeah, just turn it on. Yeah, see that? It's just tiny. The water should be gushing out right now in full force, but it's just dripping. So I'm gonna go up there and see what's going on.